Hi guys, welcome back to Manny's Food Adventures, where this weekend we stayed at a farm stay surrounded by nature and fresh produce. And we're in the chicken coop right now, and they are laying fresh eggs, and we're gonna get some. These are freshly laid from this morning. They're nice and warm, and we're gonna get them and cook some fresh breakfast with these fresh eggs. This farm stay has so much nature. You can see all the fresh produce of fresh oranges and these lemons, and you can pick some oranges, and we've been picking them and cutting them and eating them, and you can make them into fresh marmalade and fresh orange juice. So with our eggs, we're gonna make some fresh eggs for breakfast. So we're gonna put some butter in our pan and get our fresh eggs. And now while we wait for them to cook up, I was just thinking to share some of the other animals. So there has been horses and donkeys, and we've got to feed them and pat them and play with them. And the farm just has so much nature and so much greenery around us. And it just really makes you think about just taking a minute to look at the nature and how relaxing it is, and yeah. So it's been a really nice stay here. And while the eggs are cooking, we are toasting some fresh bread in here so we can put the eggs on top after. So now we're gonna flip our eggs. So now we're ready to take our fresh eggs out, and they smell amazing, and I cannot wait to try it. So now let's try it. It's so good. The bread is so crispy, and the eggs have so much flavour. This is amazing. Don't forget to try this and like and subscribe, so now I can just go and enjoy this.